Hey all, hope everybody are doing fantastic. And I have come up with one more important information for the students who are going to write Karnataka Board SSLC examination for the year 2021. Okay, see, we all know the question paper pattern is completely changed into MCQ pattern. We have already discussed about the two model papers released by our KSEE board. Both science and mathematics model papers are available in the channel. Video links are provided in the description. You can go and check it out. Along with that, we started chapter wise MCQ series where almost all the chapters are over. All important chapters from science is completed. Only the remaining chapters are sources of energy, which we will upload very soon, and the sustainable and our environment together I will complete in one particular video. That also we will upload soon. So each and every information resource is provided in a channel. You can use it for the best. And since many of the students were asking me, they have requested a lot to do a blueprint on the chapters. Okay, say like how many questions may come from a particular chapter is what we call a blueprint, isn't it? See, there is no blueprint as such released by the government. See, government did not mention that these many questions will come from this chapter like that. See, I have prepared my own blueprint based on the two model papers released by our government. Okay, so we all know paper 1 and paper 2, two model papers are released. So I have done a lot of research through a model papers, and I picked some information from model paper. Maybe your final examination paper also look similar to the model paper. Okay, so based on your model papers, I have prepared a blueprint for the year 2021 examination. Clear? So now we all very well know that 40 questions will come from science, right? So you have to attempt 40 MCQs from science part, right? Every subject 40 MCQs. Okay, and now let me talk about the chapters from physics, like how many questions are going to come from each and every chapter. See guys, remember a point that this is not a blueprint released by government. Government did not say anything about a blueprint. This is just based on the model papers. I am giving you the blueprint. Clear? Say, let me first talk about from physics chapters. From physics chapters, say what are the chapters you study under physics? The first one is electricity, isn't it? The most important chapter, guys, electricity. And the second chapter is magnetic effect of electric current. And the third one is you will study one more important chapter, light chapter. And the fourth one, sources of energy. Sources of energy. So these are the 4 physics related chapters you are going to study this year, right? Okay. See, when we searched the two model papers, we can clearly understand that there are 5 MCQ questions have come from electricity. Okay. See, from model paper 1, 5 MCQs were there from electricity, whereas in the model paper 2, we observe only 4 questions. Okay, so altogether 4 to 5 MCQs will definitely come from electricity chapter alone. So definitely this is the most important chapter for class 10 science this year. Okay, see, the most weightage having chapter is electricity, because the maximum questions, if we compare all the chapters, many questions, I mean 4 to 5 questions you will observe from the chapter electricity, right? Okay, and the next one is magnetic effect of electric current. Again, you can expect minimum of 3 questions from the chapter. And later, one more important chapter is light. From light chapter also the 4 questions. Okay, and from sources of energy you can expect 2 questions. Clear? And here See, sometimes one more question can be asked from magnetic effect of electric current. See, either 4 questions may be asked. See, either 4, or here from light chapter 3 questions can be asked. Okay, so 1 or 2 marks variation would be there between magnetic effect of electric current as well as light chapter. Okay, so altogether just consider 3 here, 4 here, or 1 or 2 mark variation would be there. So altogether from physics part, how many questions do you get? It is 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, right? So 14 questions you can expect from physics related chapters, right? 14 MCQs you can expect from physics related chapters. That means from these 4 chapters. So the most important chapter is definitely your electricity. So don't neglect. Fine. And now let me talk about chemistry part. And what are the chapters you studied this year from chemistry is the first one, acids, bases and salts, right? Acids, bases, salts part is completely deleted for this year. So no need to worry about the salts part, acids, bases. And the second chapter you studied was metals and non-metals, right? Metals and non-metals. And third chapter you studied, the most important one is carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. And the fourth one is periodic classification of elements. Just I'll write a short form. Periodic classification of elements. Okay. So when we looked at the model papers, what we found was almost around 2 questions you would expect from acids bases chapter, that is 2 MCQs you would expect here, and from metals and non-metals 4 questions, carbon and its compounds 4 questions, and again from periodic classification of elements 2 questions. Okay, so this was the weightage I can give for the chemistry chapters. So the most important chapter from chemistry is definitely metals, non-metals and carbon and its compound. So high weightage chapters are these 2. Clear? So altogether from chemistry part, how much was the weightage you had? 8, 10, almost around 12 marks. Okay, so almost around 12 questions you would get from chemistry side. Okay, fine. And now let me talk about biology chapters. Biology chapters. So one of the very important chapter, life processes, right? So life processes. Second one is control and coordination. Just let me write control. Okay. And the third one is heredity and evolution. Heredity and evolution. And the fourth chapter, how do organisms reproduce? Let me just write it as reproduction. How do organisms reproduce? And the fifth chapter, sustainable management. Sustainable management of natural resources. And the sixth chapter is our environment. Our environment. So these are the chapters from biology side you have studied. And coming to the life process chapter, it's 3 questions were asked in both model paper 1 as well as from model paper 2. So I am giving a weightage of around 3 questions from life processes. Similarly, control and coordination 3 questions, heredity evolution 3 questions, okay, and then reproduction 2 questions, from sustainable management of natural resources 2 questions, our environment 1 question. Okay, so life process, control, coordination, heredity. So these 3 chapters are the most important chapters you have to concentrate from biology side. So 1 or 2 marks, they say sometimes they may ask more questions for control and coordination. That's always there. This is our guest blueprint. Okay, fine. So altogether, can you tell me how many marks from biology side? 3 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, 14. Okay, so from physics related chapters, 14 questions. From chemistry related chapters, 12 questions. And from biology related chapters, 14 questions. So altogether, 14, 14, 12. Okay, so 40 questions you will get from science part. Okay, so 14 from physics, 12 questions from chemistry, and 14 questions from biology. See, 1 mark variation would be there. Maybe sometimes 15 questions may come from physics, only 11 questions may come from chemistry, right? Always one mark variation would be there between the chapters. But definitely this you can fix it as a guessed blueprint. Okay, according to that you can give more importance for some chapters here, especially electricity from physics part, light from physics part, metals, non-metals, carbon and its compounds from chemistry part, and then life process, control, coordination, heredity from biology part. They are the most important chapters. Clear? And especially when you come to physics part, numericals can be asked on electricity, right? And as well as the light chapter. So work on with the numericals. So you have to be very, very perfect with the concept. Only then you can answer MCQ question with full confidence, right? So get perfect with the concept, right? And you have another more like 20 days for your examination, minimum of 20 days. So plan and study. So altogether you have these many chapters, right? Keep 1 day for each chapter. Okay, keep 1 day for each chapter. So complete the chapters revision within 15 days. Okay, and remaining 5 days you practice the model papers and sample papers given by your school, and various sample papers are available in internet also. You can download and practice. Practicing more questions is very, very important here. Okay, the more questions you practice, the more perfection you will get and the more confidence you will get to answer a particular question, right? So that's why plan according to a number of days and study. So as I told you, keep 1 day per each chapter. Try to finish the concept clarity and the revision chapter by chapter. See, chapter wise MCQs are there in our channel. You can use them, and while explaining the MCQs I have also revised the concept relating to that, so that may help you a lot. Okay, many of you were asking me about sources of energy, so don't worry, it's better to study a complete chapter. Though they have mentioned the non-conventional sources of energy is deleted, they kept on asking questions from that part also. So I recommend you to study the complete chapter. So don't worry, I am coming up with the sources of energy chapter next, and I'll do a quick revision, brief revision. After that, I'll be solving few MCQs. So no need to worry about that chapter. We will help you out. Okay, and even on sustainable management of natural resources as well as our environment, I will come up with the most important questions and concepts. So in our videos we have covered every possible model that can be asked from a particular chapter. So do practice those models and be aware of the concept, right? So this much I wanted to tell you today. That's all about today's video, and we will meet you up in the next video with the sources of energy. Till then, revise properly, take care of your health, be safe, and don't panic, don't worry about the examination. It will be very, very easy. Only thing is you have to be focused and determined towards your studies. All the best and good luck.